Bappa Sitaram, Bajrang Das Bappa. Birth and early life. Bajrang Das Bappa, originally named Bhakti Ram, was born in 1906 in Adhevara village in the Bhavnagar district of Gujarat. His parents were Shiv Kumbarba and Haridas Bapu. Spiritual journey. In his youth, Bhakti Ram came into contact with sadhus, holy men. He went to Ayodhya, where he met his guru, Sitaram Bapu, and became his disciple. After this, he became known as Bajrang Das Bappa. Philanthropic work. Bappa Bajrang Das was known for his selfless service and compassion. He traveled to many places, serving people and spreading spiritual teachings. Bappa Sitaram name, he is lovingly and respectfully called Bappa Sitaram by his devotees, highlighting his devotion to Lord Sitaram. History of the Bappa Sitaram Temple, Bagdana Dham. Settling in Bagdana. After years of wandering and service, Bappa Bajrang Das eventually settled in the village of Bagdana in the Mahuwa Taluka of Bhavnagar district. Establishment of the ashram. In 1951, Bappa established the Guru Ashram at Bagdana. This marked the foundation of what is now known as the Bappa Sitaram Temple or Bagdana Dham. Annakshetra Free Kitchen. A significant aspect of the temple's history is the continuous operation of the Annakshetra, a free kitchen started by Bappa to ensure that no one in need goes hungry. This tradition of feeding all visitors continues to this day. Growth as a pilgrimage site. Over time, the ashram at Bagdana became a major pilgrimage destination for devotees of Bappa Sitaram. People from all walks of life visit the temple to seek blessings and experience the spiritual atmosphere. Key events and festivals. Bappa's Punyatithi death anniversary, observed on Posh Vad Chauth, according to the Gujarati calendar. This day sees a massive gathering of devotees to pay their respects. Guru Purnima. This auspicious day dedicated to spiritual teachers is also celebrated with great enthusiasm at Bagdana Dham. Present day, the Bappa Sitaram Temple at Bagdana continues to be a vibrant center of faith and service. The ashram is managed by a trust and sees a constant stream of devotees throughout the year. In essence, the history of the Bappa Sitaram Temple in Bagdana is intrinsically linked to the life and teachings of Sant Bajrang Das Bappa. His selfless service, devotion, and the establishment of the ashram have made Bagdana a revered and significant spiritual place.